In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious crispy fried donut recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1½ cup of flour, 1/4 cup of shredded butter, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 3/4 cups of sour cream, 3 egg yolks, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a lemon zest. In a bowl, combine together the powdered sugar, lemon zest, and the egg yolks, and whisk until it starts to lighten. In a separate bowl, we're going to combine together the flour, baking powder, salt, and the butter, and mix until the butter is completely distributed. Add in the vanilla extract, sour cream, and egg mixture. Mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough out on a floured surface. Wrap the dough with plastic wrap. We're going to place this in the fridge for 1 hour. Roll the dough out into a large rectangle. Cut strips horizontally and diagonally. Cut slits in the center of each rhombus. Twist one end through the center of the shape. We're going to fry them on both sides until golden brown. Take it out onto a paper towel lined plate. Sift with extra powdered sugar. Our crispy donuts are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.